Hello guys, in today's video we are going to fix the fingerprint sensor not working on your Xiaomi REDMI Note 15 5G. So the first thing that I do recommend doing is to close your device and check if it works again. It doesn't. Get a microfiber cloth and try to clean your fingerprint sensor area over here, or remove the screen protector which may cause interference with your fingerprint sensor, and try doing it again. As you can see, mine still doesn't work. So let's unlock our device by using just a simple passcode or just a pattern and enter the settings. Here scroll down to the fingerprint face data and screen lock and tap fingerprint unlock. Unlock your device, and now here tap your fingerprint. Remove fingerprint, remove fingerprint. Tap fingerprint, tap add fingerprint once again, and draw your pattern. Now scan your fingerprint once again. Press and lift after the vibration, and as you can see here, we do have the status of the scan. After time to time, you can take a microfiber cloth and clean the sensor again to have your fingerprint scan accurate and correct. Tap done, close your device, open it and check if it works. For me it works. If it doesn't work for you, you need to go to the main menu of your settings, tap about phone section, tap your Xiaomi HyperOS in the background, and if you do have any updates over here, add it to your phone. It's because sometimes Xiaomi releases some quick bug fixes within the updates, and maybe fingerprint sensor is here, fix is here. If you don't have any updates, you need to contact the support to have your phone fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.